Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. Children, in previous class, I taught you about problem solving related to division and also explain you about the profit and loss. Today, once again, I will explain you about the profit and loss. Means what is profit, what is loss, and how to find profit and loss. Okay. So, what is the loss? What is the profit? If a shopkeeper sells at a price higher than the buying price, means cost price is higher, shopkeeper sells a price higher than the buying price, is a profit. That means if you say, take anything, suppose 15 rupees, you take a copy 15 rupees and you once again you sold it in 20 rupees, that times it was profit. Okay. So shopkeeper sells at a price higher than the buying price, means if selling price is greater than cost price, that time it was profit, and if selling price was less than cost price, that means it was loss. In simple way, you can say that the price at which items are bought is known as a cost price, and the price at which it was sold is known as selling price. Cost, what is the cost price? Cost price is the price at which items are bought, is known as cost price. And what is the selling price? Selling price is the price at which it is sold, is known as selling price. Okay, students, see here two most important formula here. In the previous class also I written profit, that is equal to selling price minus cost price, and loss, that is cost price means selling price. I told you the profit, if selling price is greater than cost price, then only it was a profit, and loss when cost price is greater than selling price, that means selling price is less than cost price, it was loss. So what is the formula of profit? Profit equal to selling price minus cost price, and loss is cost price minus selling price. Don't be confused. Here, see SP, SP, CP, CP means two formula for selling price, for finding the selling price, and two formula for finding the cost price. So students, always be remember ki what are the given in the question. According to that only you use the formula of selling price and cost price. If in question say cost price is given and loss is given, then what is the formula of selling price? Then selling price is SP, that means selling price. CP, that means cost price. Okay. Then selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Okay. Now if cost price and profit is given in the question, okay, then selling price, that is equal to cost price plus profit. Selling price equal to cost price plus profit. Two formula is selling price. So don't be confused, don't be mixed. When loss is given, that times we have to subtract from the cost price. When profit is given, that time we have to add in cost price. Okay. Then if SP, that means selling price, and loss is given, then the cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Here loss is given, in that case selling price plus loss, then only we will get the cost price, total price. Okay. And if selling price and profit is given, that time you have to subtract selling price minus profit, means you have to learn this formula 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the 6 formulas we have to learn. Okay. Now see the one question I will take from your book. Now first question, that is what is given in your book. See the amount of loss or profit. Students, here you have to decide it was loss or it was profit. According to questions, you have to compare the prices and then you have to decide it was a profit or it was the loss. First one, cost price. Now I hope you will write this formula in your copy also. All these 6 formulas you have to write, and on the tops you write the topic profit and loss. Here you write remember points, remember points, remember points. That means here some formula is there. You have to learn before solving the exercise. You have to learn this formula. Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. And I already explained you this one. Okay. You learn and after then you start solving. See the first question from your book. What is given in your first question in your book? Cost price. Cost price, that is rupees 136, and selling price, that is equal to 140. Then now you have to decide, after watching this cost price and selling price, you have to decide it was the profit or loss, and after deciding you have to use the formula. Okay, now compare the number. CP, that is 136, means cost price in which he taken is 136, and selling price means he sold it in 143. Then cost price CP is less than selling price, and you can say selling price that is greater than cost price. If selling price means SP is greater than CP, that means selling price is greater than CP. That times what was it? It was profit. It was profit, and then you have to use the formula of profit. And profit, that is equal to SP minus CP. And what is SP here? Rupees 143 minus rupees 136. Subtract the number. Then 13 minus 7, that is 6 minus that is 7. And 3 minus 3 is 0. 1 minus 1 0. What is rupees 7. What was profit? It was the 7 rupees. Profit is the 7 rupees. Okay, same way we have to see here, if cost price CP is given 452 and SP is given here 430. Students, see, cost price is greater than selling price. That means CP is greater than SP. That means it was loss. It was loss, and you have to use the formula of loss. Loss, that is CP minus SP. And what is the CP here? 452 minus 430. And after subtracting, write how much loss was there. Okay. Now that is the formula. After selling price, cost price is given, and after comparing CP and SP, you have to decide it was a profit or it was loss. Okay. Now see the next question. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Same question is there. SP and CP is given, and you have to decide, and after that directly you have to fill. Means SP is given here. SP is given how much? Rupees 725, and CP is given rupees 650. Compare CP, SP. SP is greater than CP. Then what? It was profit. It was profit. And what is the formula of profit? Profit formula is SP minus CP. How much profit? 725 minus 650. After subtracting 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 5, 12. You have to take the carry. 12 minus 5, that is 75. Means how much rupees? 75 rupees. It was a profit. It was a profit how much? 75 rupees. That is the two questions for question number 1 and 2. And afterwards some statement sum is given. And I explain you how to solve the statement problem. Here, one question I am taking from your book. Mona bought a clock for rupees 435. Students, listen carefully. Mona bought a clock for rupees 435. That means its cost price of clock is how much? 435 rupees. 435. Okay, and he wants to sell it as a profit of rupees 55. What he said? Profit is given. Here, profit is given. How much? He wants to take profit 55 rupees. So what is given here? CP is given 435 rupees and profit is given 55 rupees. Then what I told, what is the formula of SP? Already I given in starting. What is the formula of SP? Here, profit that is given 435 rupees, profit is 55 rupees and CP that is 435. Then you have to find the SP, selling price. So what is the selling price? Cost price plus profit. CP plus profit. CP plus profit. Means in question it is how much is it will be the selling price. What is the price of selling? Then it will be the get the profit of 55 rupees. Then it is cost price simple CP plus profit. Then CP 435 rupees plus 55 rupees. Add this number together. 5 plus 5 10 0. 5 plus 8 1 9. 4 plus 1 5. That is the 590 rupees. Means selling price of the clock is 590. Sorry, this one is a 4 only. 490 rupees. Okay, 490 rupees. Okay. See the one more question from your book. Suresh sold a fan. Listen carefully. Suresh sold a fan for rupees 895. Sold. That means what is given there? Selling price. Selling price of Suresh sold a fan of rupees 895. 895 means selling price. Selling price is given 895. That is the selling price. That is the selling price 895 rupees. Okay. At a loss of rupees 52. How much loss here? Loss is 52 rupees. What was the cost price of the fan? So you have to say the what is the cost price then. Okay. Students, see here, SP is given, loss is given. You have to find the CP. So what I told, in that times what we have to write? CP that is equal to SP plus loss. Means what is the SP here? 895 rupees plus 52 rupees. 5 2 7 9 5 14 4 1 is carry 947 means CP is 947 rupees. Okay, means students, now you see all the questions are dependent upon only 6 formula that in starting what I given to you. So first you have to learn all the formulas and after then you have to start solving. And solution of this chapter profit and loss is given in the description. From there you have to complete your notes and next class I will teach you next chapter, that is unitary method.